Tonight I'm making a quick and easy sea bass with a salsa verde sauce, baked in the oven in parchment paper. It's quick, it's easy, it's delicious, and you guys are gonna be able to enjoy it too. Here we go, garlic. Garlic's going in the food processor, which is kind of nice. Anytime that I don't have to chop a lot on my own, I mean, I'll take that as a win. So that's going in. We're gonna put half an onion in. So I'm just gonna cut off some of the outer pieces and not use that. But I'm gonna give it a light chop, put it in here. Working with tomatillos. But you're gonna peel these off. You peel off the husk that comes on them. I'm gonna give these a light, like I said, a light chop. These are going in my food processor. I love working with food processors, so easy. I'm gonna use probably like a quarter of a jalapeno. I don't want this to be super spicy. Jake loves spicy foods, and I like them, but I don't want it to be like super overpowering. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lime juice in here. Here we go. Rinse. And then I'm gonna add some flat leaf parsley, not a ton, and some cilantro. Like I said, I don't have to chop all this stuff up, which is phenomenal, super easy. This is just all going into my food processor. This is an elevated weeknight meal. Okay, to finish off our salsa verde, I'm just gonna add some olive oil into my food processor before I get this blending up. I'm gonna add salt. And of course, I'm gonna add just a little bit of black pepper, not a lot. And we're ready to blend. Now I like to always take a look at the consistency. It looks like I have a few pieces here of parsley. Didn't get chopped. It smells good. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more olive oil, just to get it a little bit loose. It's a little chunky, but that's okay because we're gonna be baking it in the oven. This is what it looks like, final product. It smells phenomenal. Okay, so we're gonna set that aside and we're gonna start putting together our parchment packets now. Okay, we're gonna turn our oven on 450 so it preheats while we're putting together our parchment packets. That's gonna preheat for us. I'm gonna pull out some parchment paper that our fish will be cooking on. Or cooking in, I should say. I'll take a wine break. Very important. Okay, so here I have a pound of wild-caught Chilean sea bass that I got at our local Whole Foods. I'm gonna cut this in half. I'm gonna lay these down. My fresh salsa verde that we just whipped up. And I'm gonna place this on top of my sea bass. And I'm gonna put a significant amount in here, right? Because I obviously have enough. Okay, so I'm gonna create my second parchment packet here. Like I said, a generous amount of salsa verde. All those flavors are gonna cook together. It's gonna be phenomenal. In my little packets, I want to include some cherry tomatoes. So I'm just gonna slice up a few and place them on top so that they bake in there with my fish. Now that my sea bass is ready to go on top of my parchment paper, I'm gonna fold this in half like so. And I really want this to stick together. And then I'm gonna fold this underneath like this. And these beautiful fish packs are gonna go on baking sheet. Fold this side under, this side under. here's what they are gonna look like on my baking sheet. And my oven is preheating, and then I'm going to place these in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna pull them out and they're gonna be ready to eat. Okay, so with our sea bass tonight, I'm just gonna make a really simple arugula side salad. It's just gonna be arugula, lemon juice, and olive oil, salt and pepper, and we'll eat that along with our fish. I don't know about you guys, but arugula is my favorite lettuce. Is it considered a lettuce? That's a good question. We should look that up. But arugula is my favorite type of salad. Anything with arugula in it or on it, I am game. Okay, that's ready. Our oven is almost preheated. And like I said, we're gonna put our fish in there. We're gonna bake it for 10 to 15 minutes and dinner is served. In the meantime, we drink. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay, let's open these up. See what we're working with. Wow. Wow, look at this. 15 minutes, dinner is done. Look at that. That is perfection. Okay, time to serve. I cannot wait to eat this. It's gonna be so fresh, so delicious. And since summer is around the corner, this is the perfect meal to kick it off. Remember, you eat with your eyes. Dinner is served. That's it for tonight, guys. We're gonna go enjoy our meal, watch a show, and settle in for the night. So we'll see you next time.